You like spicy? When you taste that chili in the garden, how you feel? Like 1 to 3, that one.
2.
2?
One,
Hey.
two.
Oh, pretty good. Go for 2. Then
Yes,
you'll
yes,
be
yes.
fine.
I like
because
that.
this one even less spicy than the one he tried in the garden.
Yes, I think
Oh,
so.
okay.
Yeah, the only.
Crush it.
Should I put some of this one?
Try that one first. Even more you can do later. Otherwise, you cannot take it back, yeah?
All right.
Okay, chili open, that's good. Chili open, that's good, yeah? Sour, more tamarind. Nah? More salty, more fish salt. Try some shrimp.
Thank you.
Mix. It has to be spicy, sour, salty, sweet. Have you had them before?
Mm-hmm.
Try this, then you know exactly.
I like it.
You try to choose 2, then you know exactly what you need because do you add one, big one like I show you?
Mm-hmm.
Try the whole thing like
Oh.
spoon, like that. Happy
Perfect.
with it's good, you're happy with that?
Mm-hmm.
Spicy okay for you?
Yeah, it's good.
Is it too spicy for you? You good? You want more chili or you happy with that?
Very good.
Good? Okay.
Okay.
This group with the sauce,
Okay, not these.
not this two.
Okay.
Throw everything in with the sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
The cashews too?
No cashew.
Okay.
No cashew, no cream.
Okay.
Hey, look at that! Excellent! Right in the middle. I put the egg on top of the rice.
I forgot.
It's okay.
I put in the green.
It's okay. It's okay. This is what happened. If it's too hot, you turn the heat lower. Fire lower. ผัดกระเพรา You know that's the smell for Thai people. That's guarantee. It tastes good, dog. See? It's gonna be delicious. A happy dish, yeah? Okay, basil in, please. Okay, tofu in. Mix. Mix. Yeah. You know, the chili is hot, right? You see the big chunk of it smashed? Some of them, the big one, are not spicy. Some of them big, that's spicy. You have to be careful. But for me, I love spicy. I just mix with rice and eat it like that.
Yep.